Welcome back to our ganache tutorial. Now I have here my chocolate and I have here my cream. My cream, I got 600 ml of cream, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna now pour into the chocolate. I have already brought my cream to the boil, so you can see it's really hot, and now I'm just gonna put over. Okay. Now the cream is gonna actually melt the chocolate itself. So you're just gonna mix like that. So you can actually cover your chocolate with the cream. Beautiful. And now we're gonna leave it here for 6 minutes so the cream can actually melt the chocolate. So remember, we're using here 2 kilos of white chocolate for 600 grams of cream. Sorry, 600 ml of cream. So we're just gonna leave it like that, and then we come back soon to show you how it looks. Okay, so I left the cream here for 6 minutes so it can actually melt the chocolate. So now I'm gonna start swirl it around. You can actually see how the cream has melted the chocolate. So now what I'm gonna do, get a whisk, and we're gonna slowly mix together. And you can see it's actually the chocolate has started to melt. Now keep that in mind, even though once you put it in the fridge, because the cream is warm, it just still melts the chocolate. That's what happens a lot of times. People actually use it to make the white ganache in the microwave. Looks perfectly fine, but then you let it set to cool down, or you put it in the fridge and it splits. It's because it's still cooking. So we're just gonna keep mixing. We can see there's a few lumps of chocolate. That's fine, because what happens is once you put it in the fridge, it's still melting the chocolate, so you can actually mix better later. Or so if you want, you can also put through a sift before you put it in the fridge. Okay. So I can see looks pretty melted. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put it in the fridge for half an hour, and then it will be ready for you to use. Don't leave your ganache in the bench cooling down, because it's gonna split because the cream is warm. So I'm gonna put this in the fridge, and then I'll come back to show you the final result.